breaking up the scene. Living fast, living bright, keeping it all clean. No more filters on the glass, just the way it is. Every second, every frame, yeah, we handle this. Cape sa umaga, ready na ang lahat. Kahit mabilis ang takbo, hindi nakakapagod ang sikat. Every view, every vibe, moving with the flow. Cause the best moments happen when we let it go. Hindi kailangan script para maging totoo. It's the magic in the air between me and you. We're dancing on the edge of a brand new day. I'm just here to say what I gotta say.
Magandang buhay! Kamusta mga ka-Eliko? Ako po si Dr. Elixir John Gabriel, Doctor of Physical Therapy, all the way from the USA. Pero hindi nakakalimutan ang pusong Pinoy. Samahan niyo po ako sa bawat kwento na may puso at bawat tagpo ay may aral. Ito ang Doc Eliko. Move, inspire, connect. Ano? Jika? Tara! Laging tandaan, I like you, Eliko.